formulas from the chapter Mensuration in grade 8. Let's start with the area. The area of the plane figure is the surface enclosed by its boundary. So taking square, the area of a square is the area or the surface inside of the four lines. This is the area of the square. So area of a square is side square. All the sides are equal. So one of this side and this side square. So it is side square. S can be written for side. So side square. This is the area for a square. What about the perimeter of a square? The perimeter of a square means perimeter is the length of the boundary. So there are four sides. So 4 into S. CSA means curved surface area. A square is a plane figure. It does not have any 3D figure. It is a 2D figure. Thus, there is no curved surface area, no total surface area, neither any volume. Next is the area of a rectangle. So, rectangle, again, this is the area of a rectangle. This is the area of a square. This is area of a square, area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is L into B. L, the length, into B, the breadth. So L into B is the area for a rectangle and its perimeter. The boundary is how many lengths are there in a rectangle? 2 lengths. How many breadths are there in a rectangle? 2 breadths. So L plus B into 2. This, if you follow distributive property, 2L and 2B. So 2L plus 2B gives you the perimeter of a rectangle. Again, since it is a 2D figure, there is no CSA, no TSA, neither no volume. Next is a triangle. The area of a triangle is a bit more different. In a triangle, there is something called as height. A length is a straight line joining 2 points. But here, this is also a straight line, but then it forms a slanted line. This slanted line is also called as the height. So we can write half B into H as the area for a triangle. Whereas perimeter is easy, 3 sides. So area or the side we can write as S plus S or also S cube. Side plus side, which means S cube. This is the perimeter of a triangle. Again, 2D figure, so no CSA, TSA and volume. Now for a parallelogram. The area of a parallelogram is base into height. Again, a slanted line, so height. Base into height. That is B into H. Now here, the perimeter of a parallelogram is 2 into sum of the adjacent side. Adjacent side means 2 lines joining at a point forming an adjacent angle. This is the adjacent side of a parallelogram. So 2 into sum of the adjacent side, sum of adjacent side. So as sum of adjacent side is the perimeter of a parallelogram. Again, since it is a 2D figure, no CSA, TSA nor volume. Next is a circle. The area of a circle is pi r square. R square, diameter. When you divide the diameter, you get 2 r's. See, this is r and this is r. 2 radius. So pi r square. Whenever circle is involved, pi is involved. So pi r square is the area of a circle. Whereas the perimeter is 2 pi r, where radius is r. So 2 pi r. That is the perimeter of a circle. CSA, TSA and volume are not there for a circle. Next is a trapezium. The area of a trapezium is half into A plus B into H. So let's take 2 sides, A and B. A is the shorter side and B is the longer side. H is the height. This is H. So the area of a trapezium is half into A plus B into H. Half into A plus B into H. The perimeter of the trapezium is the sum of all the sides. So if you take this as A, B, then you can also take this as C and this as D. So the perimeter is A plus B plus C plus D, which means the total sum of the lines or the boundary. Again, no CSA, no TSA and no volume. Next is a rhombus. Rhombus is a special quadrilateral. And if you take a rhombus and draw a line from one point to the other point like this and another point like this all the way there, then these lines are called as a diagonal. Diagonal is represented as D. So we can take this as D1 and this as D2. Then the area of a trapezium or the area of a rhombus ABCD, naming this ABCD, is half into D1 into D2. Half D1 D2. This is the area of a rhombus. What about its perimeter? Its perimeter will be 4 into S or 4S. Anything, 4 into S or 4S. Once again, no CSA, no TSA and no volume. Next, let us look at the 3D figures, namely the cube, cuboid and the cylinder. Over here, CSA, TSA and volume are only applicable for cube, cuboid and cylinder. So when you look here, the CSA for a cube is 4L square. What do you mean by CSA? Curved surface area. If this is a cube, then this and then behind the square, a cube, and then this side. This is the curved surface area. And there are 4 sides. 1, this side, 2, this side, 3, the back side, and 4, this side. So there are 4 sides or the 4 curved surface area. So it is 4L square or S square, the same thing. Then the total surface area will be the whole of the cube. So one side from below, from up, so there are 2. 1, 2 and then 3 on the front, 4 on the side, 5 on the other side and 6 behind. So 6L square. This is how you find the CSA and TSA. So CSA will be 4L square, TSA will be 6L square. And the volume of a cube will be L cube. When you take the inside or the whole volume, it will be L cube. So L raised to 3. Next is the curved surface area of a rectangle. This is a rectangle in 3D form. So this is a cuboid, the curved surface area of a cuboid. To find the curved surface area of a cuboid, this region, that is 2h, there are 2 heights, 2h into L plus B. So 2h, L plus B. And then likewise, we'll find the total surface area. An easy trick to remember is 2 into everything meets up. What do you mean by everything meets up? You know there are 3 dimensions, L, B and H. So everything shake hands. L and B shake hands. So LB plus B and H shake hands. So BH plus L and H shake hands. So LH. So 2 into LB plus BH plus LH is the TSA of a cuboid. So that is the TSA of a cuboid. Next is the volume of a cuboid. Again, everything meets up but separately. They do not shake hands. They just make a meeting. So LBH. Easy. Volume, TSA and CSA of a cuboid. Next we have the cylinder. Again, in a cylinder, we can say there are 2 circles. So again, pi is involved, which means 2 pi r. What is 2 pi r? 2 pi r is the perimeter of a circle. So 2 pi r. So perimeter into h gives you the curved surface area of a cylinder. What about total surface area? total surface area is 2 pi r and then r plus h. 2 pi r meets h. 2 pi r plus h. Then comes the volume. Again, a circle is involved, so pi is involved. So pi r square h. This is how you find the area perimeter of the shapes square, rectangle, triangle, parallelogram, circle, trapezium and rhombus. Whereas the CSA, TSA and volume for cube, cuboid and cylinder. If this video helped you to understand this concept and study all the formulas, please like and subscribe to the channel and follow for more videos. This is the total table. You can copy it down. I hope this helped you. Thank you.